Hey everyone, so as you can see behind me, we got our garage doors installed today. I love the color scheme I chose. I think it pops when you drive up. It goes really well with the color of the metal, and it just breaks up the front of the shop and kind of formalizes the whole barndominium look. Tomorrow they're going to come back and install a motor for the larger door, so that'll be nice to have a remote. And then in the back I'll show video of that door because we had to make some alterations due to the track and the mezzanine above. So we'll just fill in that gap, and I also have some other videos of just some of the installations. So take a look, enjoy, and what do you think of the doors?